Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be so different. This is probably the first time I've created such looks. I don't even remember doing any kind of creative looks ever on my channel, but here we go. It is Mardi Gras season here in New Orleans, so why not make something for the festival, you know? Anyways, if you want to know how I got this look and the things that I use, the techniques and everything, just keep on watching. I already primed my eyes using the soft ochre paint pot from MAC. Primed well because we're gonna have some shebang colors in our eyes. So I take this P12 palette right here from Morphe, and I'm gonna use that orange color right there as my transition color. From this huge Tarte palette right here, I'm going to use this contrast color and that shade up there. I forgot what the name was, but anyway. And I'm just going to pack that on precisely more on the crease part. And then taking this Urban Decay violet color eyeliner. This wasn't that good, but if you have a violet eyeliner, please use that and put that all over your lids. Back again to that contrast color. I'm going to fill that out to make it intense. Back to my P12 palette, taking this violet shade right here. I'm just gonna pack that on my crease and just pack that on as much as I can to use that as a transition color. Going back to this contrast shade right here, it's a very intense violet, by the way. I'm gonna pack that on my crease and literally blend that shit out using a crease brush. Next is I'm going to take this NYX pigment right here. I don't know what the shade was, but it's of course a violet. And I'm going to pack that on my lids just to make it poppin', you know. Everything's going to be linked down below, by the way. And it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So I kind of put some Fix Plus to kind of, you know, intensify the color. And look at it. Is va-va-voom as what I want it to be. Since I'm going to be working with a lot of glitters at the moment, I'm going to prime half of my face first on the top, mainly, with some Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. And I'm going to apply some foundation first on this half of my face using the Tarte Cosmetics Matte Foundation Shape Tape Foundation. Matte. What? Okay. The Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in matte. There you go. Next is I have this fleur-de-lis sticker pattern right here that I got from Micheals, and I'm just gonna apply that on top of my brows. And like so, I'm gonna use some glitter glue and kind of create this dripping effect of yellow glitters and green glitters. So first is I'm gonna put the yellow glitters, and then on top of that is gonna be drips of green glitters. You'll understand later on, okay? So I'm just applying the glue in the dripping shape. I'm going to take this yellow glitter right here and then apply that everywhere we put the glue on. And I'm basically just going to repeat this process right here for the 3 petals. I don't know if that's petals or hooks. I don't know. Just those 3. You get what I mean. Filling the gaps with this green glitter right here, creating that dripping effect that I was talking about a while ago. Next is I'll be applying some glue dots on top of my right brows, and I'm just basically gonna alternate the green glitter with the yellow glitter on it. Next is I'm going to take this Ultra Pearl Mania from NYX again, and I'm going to apply that for my brow bone area. So finally, we are done with the hard part. I'm gonna prime the remaining parts of my face with this Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. And I'm gonna use, of course, the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in matte. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Next is to set our concealer. I'm going to use this Luxury Baking Banana Powder from Revolution Makeup or Makeup Revolution. I don't know. But I'm actually recently loving this. It's really good. No flashbacks or anything at all. Next is I'm going to set my whole face, well, the sides of my face, using the No Filter Finishing Powder by NYX. Back to my Picasso palette, I'm gonna use this green shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as my lower lash area color. It's really, really good. Like, look at that. I look like a king cake now. And then to kind of blend it out, I'm gonna use this neon or light green shade right here as, you know, kind of to diffuse the dark green that we just applied on our lower lash line. I'm applying that Pearl Mania from NYX again to my inner eye corners. Next is I'm applying some glitter glue using my sponge, and I'm mixing the green and yellow glitters together and applying that as kind of like a glitter tears look. This is what I am trying to achieve, and this is my first time doing it, so pardon me. I'm going to take my Hola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to contour my face with that. For blush, I'm going to use this Luminous Loose Blush from Studio Makeup. I love this blush. I got it from my BoxyCharm and it's really good. Back to that Pearl Mania again. I'm going to use that as an highlighter. Look at that. It's so poppin'. Next is I'm going to take this Kylie Kourt K. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Kourt K lip liner. And I'm just going to line my lips with that. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to use this metallic liquid lipsticks from Milani Cosmetics. And I'm pretty sure this is in the shade Ultra Matte, I think. But everything's going to be linked down below, don't worry. And then to kind of have some highlight touch there, I'm going to use that Pearl Mania again and just dab it in the center part of my lips. That completes this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I stayed up 12:30 at night just to kind of figure out what are the things that I'm gonna put on my face and how am I gonna make it work. And yeah, I'm so happy with the result. I hope you guys would recreate this look and be kind of festive and just kind of feel the Mardi Gras season, even though you're probably not from here or you may be from here, so why not try it, you know? Anyway, I have to go because she's kind of fuzzy right now. So thank you so much again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you did like this video and comment down below what you think. Everything is gonna be linked down below, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye guys!